Hey hippies, welcome and welcome back. If you are new here, it's Courtney Shavante. Make sure you do hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything that I do put out for you hippies moving forward. So today we are just going to be pouring a few molds. We're going to be pouring these Afro zodiac coasters that I have here, and I'm also going to be doing something a little bit different today. So I want to start answering some of you guys' questions and responding to some comments and stuff on top of the videos and everything, because at this point you guys are starting to see me do a lot of these, and I really want to kind of switch it up and just kind of make this a little bit more interactive as well. So we're going to start with this one here. Siren writes, how do you incorporate the pivot once you do the shift? Like, resin is super fun for me and helps with my mental health dealing with cancer, while I love to sell the pieces that I make eventually. How can you pivot into such a saturated market? First, I would like to start by sending you my love. I wish nothing but peace on your spirit while you are dealing with this very difficult season of your life. To answer your question, I feel like the most important thing that you can do when you're trying to pivot into a saturated market would be really establishing and identifying what your niche is within that market. When you niche, it'll be easier for you to kind of develop a brand story. And stories are really what are going to sell your products. People don't buy just the product, they're buying like the message behind the product. They're buying what that product means, what it symbolizes, and how it makes them feel. So you have to figure out how to get to that target audience in a way that's very unique to them and where you speak to them. You also need to be able to understand their particular pain points and have a solution to their problem. The problem I chose to solve was the lack of representation within the mold industry. So I wanted more melanated features and stuff out here. I get on these videos, I talk about it, I say it with my whole chest. I make sure that people know for a fact that this is what I am doing. This is the problem that I have the solution to. Like, I have your answers over here regarding that. Once you find or create that very valuable niche, and then you build that brand story and present that brand story to your target audience and show them like how it truly helps them and stand 10 toes down in it, you really can't lose. The ball will start rolling. It may not move at the exact pace that you like or expect all the time, but it will move. Just keep going out there, keep spreading your message, and keep telling people what you have to offer. And just make sure it makes sense. Like, don't be afraid to get there and reassess and tweak pieces as needed. But don't just throw the whole idea out just because you don't see immediate results. Give things time. So Siren, I hope that does help you and anyone else who may be curious about that question and everything. If you guys like this style of video, feel free to let me know below. And until next time, hippies, XO. Mwah. Bye now.